What if I told you that the landing page you are looking at right now was entirely created using AI? No coding, no design skills, just a prompt. And the crazy part, you can build something exactly like this in minutes. Let me show you how. First, head over to Claude AI and create an account. Once you are inside, you will see this interface. Now, here where the thing get interesting. All you have to do is just paste a simple prompt. I will drop that prompt in description box below so you can copy it. To even get better results, you can add a reference image. It's not required, but it helps the AI to understand your design style. For example, I am building a landing page for an AI email marketing tool. So I will quickly grab a clean reference design from Google. I will just search for it. And you can see there are loads of images available if you search for the AI email marketing website, and you can choose one of them if you want. So I think we can go with this image. I will just copy this image and paste it right here. Now you just need to click on this send button and you have to just watch it until it's creates your website. It will take around 1 or 2 minutes to create your complete landing page, and you can tweak everything too once it's created. Now we will just wait it, and you can keep these settings to default. If you have a paid plan, you can go with more settings, but you can just keep this default. If you are on a free plan, then all you have to do is just wait. Now let me also show you if you are building something different, then how you can customize the prompt. To customize your prompt, all you have to do is just go to ChatGPT, and here you can describe that turn this into a B2B SaaS for a social media growth, or you can just describe your business. Then you can say modify this prompt to my business. Like if you are running a agency, you can just describe that and paste this prompt, and ChatGPT will like create a custom prompt for you according to this, because I tried many prompts and I will put 2 or 3 prompts in description box below, which brings like outstanding results. So here you can see ChatGPT is now working to give us a new prompt that you can copy paste, and if you are building something different business, so after it's done, you can copy and test it out. So now as you can see, our website is ready, and take a look at this clean UI, modern layout, pricing section, all of the animations. Honestly, if you saw this on Product Hunt or a startup website, you would never guess that it was made with AI. You can preview it, edit it, or even download the full code with one click. And the best part is, if you want to download it, you have the download option too. Just click on this copy button to copy it, and if you click on this drop down button, just click on download and your code is downloaded too. You can view this in an HTML file by just clicking on this code, and here you can see. And now you can see this is how easy to build a high quality landing page using AI. You can try it yourself and let me know what you want to create or what you created using Claude. This works for most of the AI tool, but honestly, Claude delivers the best result. I tried many tools like Grok as well, ChatGPT. But if you give this prompt to Grok, I mean the Claude, then it can give you outstanding results. Just like that, if you want to build a different website, you can just go to ChatGPT, that it gives you the prompt if you remember, and you can just paste that prompt and it will create the website for you. Before we end the video, I have been testing this tool called MCP Nest, and honestly, it's kind of like an app store but for AI tool. Instead of manually setting up MCP servers and dealing with configs, you can just search from thousands of verified servers, add them, and build your entire setup in one place. The part I like most is Composer. You literally pick a server, add your API key, and it generates the full config and for you in seconds. No manual JSON editing. You can even bundle everything and share your full AI setup with a just single link, which is pretty useful if you are working in a team or just want to reuse step setups. And yeah, it supports one-click installs for tools like Cursor or Visual Studio Code, so your setup is super fast. If you're getting into MCP or building AI workflows, definitely worth checking out. I'll put link of this in description box below as well. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked that. If you have any doubts, do let me know in the comments. And I have also put all of the prompts in description box below so you can try it out. That's all for today's video.